Hello students, today we will learn one of the very important questions usually asked for 4 marks, that is for short answer. So here is a question, explain the structure of diborane. Diborane is B2H6. So diborane is an electron deficient compound. In diborane, the total number of valency electrons is only 12. In the similar compound, ethane, there are 14 valence electrons, but the structure of diborane is not similar to that of ethane. So, how it is different, we will see now. So, here is the structure of the diborane. We have 2 boron atoms and 6 hydrogen atoms. So, now we will explain this structure. By electron diffraction and infrared spectroscopy studies of this molecule have shown that diborane has hydrogen bridge structure as shown above. So you can see in this structure there is a bridge type structure. 2 hydrogens, they are attached to the boron atoms through a bridge like form, and the 4 other hydrogens, they are at the terminal positions. The 4 hydrogen atoms present in the terminal groups are known as terminal hydrogen atoms, and the 2 remaining hydrogen atoms are called bridge hydrogen atoms. So the 4 hydrogen atoms, they are present in the terminal position, they are called as terminal hydrogen atoms, and 2 are in the bridge. So these 2 hydrogens are bridge hydrogen atoms. The 2 bridge hydrogens lie in a plane perpendicular to the plane of the 2 groups. Out of the 2 bridge hydrogens, 1 hydrogen atom lies above the plane and the other hydrogen atom lies below the plane. So you can see one of the hydrogen atom, it is present above the plane, the other is in the below the plane. Now we will see the orbital structure of diborane. In diborane, each boron atom undergoes sp3 hybridization, resulting in 4 equivalent hybrid orbitals. 3 of these orbitals have 1 electron each, and the 4 hybrid orbital is vacant. In forming BHB, that is boron hydrogen boron bridge, hybrid orbital with 1 electron from 1 boron atom and 1 s orbital of 1 bridge hydrogen and the vacant hybrid orbital of the second boron atom overlaps as shown below. So now we will see here boron and 1 more boron atom, they overlap with the 1s of the hydrogen atom. So here you can see sp3, here 1 more electron here, and one of them is the vacant orbital here, and below the plane also you can see one of the boron atom, it has sp3 orbital and one of them is vacant and 1s of the hydrogen atom. So here you can see overlap of orbitals. The 2 BHB bridges, boron hydrogen boron bridges present in diborane are abnormal bonds. They are considered 3-centered 2 electron bonds. So here 3 atoms with 2 electrons, they are forming the bond here between 3 atoms, boron, hydrogen and boron, but there are only 2 electrons. One of the orbital is vacant. You can see below also, here 1 orbital and the other orbital, they are electrons present, here one of them is vacant. So 3 atoms and 2 electrons. So here these 2 are going to form the banana bonds, or they are also called as tau bond. So here they are considered as 3-centered 2 electron bonds. This type of bond is called as banana bond or tau bond. In this type of bond, a pair of electrons holds 3 atoms. In diborane, there are 2 such bridges. So these 2 are bridged bonds, or they can also called as banana bonds or tau bonds. So we will see the diboron molecule. So this is the structure of the diboron molecule. Okay children, thank you.